Will this recipe make you feel like you're on vacation? More like vacation, am I right? Summer, 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 Chad. You have a very sunny personality.
You are my sunshine.
Ba 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 ba. Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Welcome back. Today we're doing a new segment called Sips and Sides. Welcome back. Today we're doing a new segment called Sips and Sides. And to kick it off, we're gonna...
and Sides.
Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a Hibiscus Margarita and some Taijin peppers. Taijin!
Die.
Sorry. Taijin! Ow. Let's get to it. First up, peppers. We're gonna be using Shishito peppers today. Shishitos. Ha! Got it. I'm gonna use this many shishitos. Did you hear about the olive oil that was in a terrible car crash? It turned them into a vegetable oil. It's kind of dark. A little sprinklage of vegetable oil or olive oil. Give them a little tossage. Yeah. Ground shishitos are not as good. Washing my shishitos. It's fine. Oil's good for wood.
Now let's turn up that heat.
Woo! So we're gonna do a medium-high heat. You don't have to cook these super long. We just want to blister them. Blister your shishitos. Yeah. You don't want to overcook them because then they get mushy and it's gross. We're not looking for mushrooms. They're singing. Burn, baby, burn. Disco shishito. A little bit of blisterage. Hey, kitty. And now I'm going to transfer them back whoop, into this bowl. Then we're going to sprinkle on some Taijin. It's basically just lime salt and it's
Amazing.
a little bit. Be liberal. It's fine. I'll give it a little tossage. Yeah. Careful. Fun fact about shishitos, they're pretty mild pepper, but 1 in 10 is super hot. Just like my ex's friend group.
Sip and Sides.
Moving on, time to make a cocktail. Let's get our tools. Tooly bully. Sorry. We're making a Hibiscus Margarita, so get ready for that. What's Homer Simpson's favorite cocktail? A margarita. We're gonna start with 1.5 ounces of Blanco Tequila. Just make sure you don't get Blanca Tequila. Also, don't use tequila blanks. Yeah. What do you call an alcohol that has a foot fetish? Cointreau Tarantino. Loves those feet. 1/2 ounce of Cointreau. Whoop. That was loud. Lime. Wash your lime. 3/4 ounces of lime juice is the amount of lime juice we'll be juicing today. And we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of hibiscus syrup. Wipe the side of the glass with some lime. And then I'm just going to sprinkle on some kosher salt. We're gonna use some transparent ice here because it's awesome. Everything's a lot more awesome when you're transparent. I'm a predator. Wait, maybe I don't. Maybe you don't say that. Whoop. Ice goes in. Yeah. Double strain because why not? Ooh, it's pretty. Shishito Peppers, Hibiscus Margarita. Can we cut to the... Now let's enjoy. Hi. I like margaritas. Shishito peppers are good. It's so easy and so delicious to do. Little after-work libations. Make this for your friends. If you have some, you're good. Ugh. That one's a hot one. Oh, it's so hot. Woo! Bye, friends.